Right now, as you're sitting there, watching this video, you are hurtling through space at incredible speeds. You, this planet, our entire solar system, are all caught in an immense cosmic dance, spinning around a gravitational ghost. An object so massive it's 4 million times heavier than our sun, yet completely invisible. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's very real. Welcome to Did You Know by FactBite Daily, where we uncover the unbelievable truths of our universe. Today we're talking about monsters. Not the kind under your bed, but the kind at the very heart of everything, supermassive black holes. For decades, these cosmic titans were just a mind-bending theory. Something you'd see in a sci-fi blockbuster. The concept of a point in space so dense that nothing, not even light, could escape seemed too bizarre to be true. But science has a way of catching up to fiction. We now have a solid scientific consensus that one of these monsters lurks at the center of almost every large galaxy, including our very own Milky Way. So, how did we go from a wild theory to an accepted fact? How do you prove something exists when you can't even see it? The answer, surprisingly, is patience and a lot of stargazing. Imagine being a cosmic detective. Your suspects are the most powerful objects in the universe, and your crime scene is the chaotic, star-filled center of our galaxy, 26,000 light-years away. For 20 years, that's exactly what astronomers did. They pointed our most powerful telescopes at the heart of the Milky Way, and they watched. What they saw was astonishing. Stars, massive suns themselves, were whipping around a central point at incredible speeds. We're talking millions of miles per hour. They were like planets in a frantic, high-speed orbit around nothing. There was no giant star, no visible object to explain this powerful gravitational pull. The movements of these stars were a dead giveaway. They were like cosmic breadcrumbs leading directly to the culprit. By tracking their orbits, astronomers could calculate the mass of the unseen object they were circling. The math was undeniable. To make stars move that fast, in such tight orbits, there had to be something with the mass of 4 million suns packed into an incredibly small, dark space. The only thing that fits that description is a supermassive black hole. It was the gravitational smoking gun. This invisible giant at the center of our galaxy has a name: Sagittarius A, pronounced Sagittarius A star. For years, all the evidence for it was indirect. We saw its effects, we measured its pull, but we couldn't see the thing itself. That's the nature of a black hole. Its gravity is so strong that it swallows all light, making it the ultimate black object against the blackness of space. It's like trying to find a black cat in a coal cellar with the lights off. So, for a long time, Sagittarius A remained a confirmed but invisible ghost. But then, humanity decided to do something truly audacious. We decided to take a picture of it. How do you photograph the unseeable? You don't. You photograph its shadow. This is where the Event Horizon Telescope comes in. It's not a single telescope, but a global network of radio telescopes, all synchronized together to create a virtual lens the size of planet Earth. This planetary-scale observatory had the power to zoom in on the heart of a distant galaxy, and later, our own. In 2019, the world held its breath as the Event Horizon Telescope team released the first ever image of a black hole. It was the supermassive black hole at the center of the M87 galaxy, a true behemoth 6.5 billion times the mass of our sun. The image wasn't of the black hole itself, but of its silhouette against the glowing, superheated gas and dust swirling around it just before being consumed. It was a fuzzy, fiery ring of light, the last scream of matter before it crosses the point of no return, the event horizon. For the first time, we were staring into the abyss. This was a monumental achievement, but the ultimate goal for many was to capture our own monster, Sagittarius A. It was a much tougher target. It's smaller, and the gas around it is more turbulent and changes much faster. It was like trying to take a clear photo of a toddler who won't sit still, compared to taking a portrait of a mountain. But in 2022, they did it. They released the image of Sagittarius A, and there it was, A blurry ring of light confirming the gravitational ghost we'd been chasing for decades was real. We finally had a family portrait of our galaxy, complete with the monster at its core. Now, when you hear the word monster, you probably think of destruction and chaos. And it's true, if you get too close to a black hole, it will tear you apart, atom by atom. They are the universe's ultimate recycling plants. But here's the twist in our story. These cosmic monsters aren't just destroyers, they are creators. They are the gravitational anchors of their galaxies. Think of it this way. A galaxy is a massive, spinning collection of stars, gas, and dust. What holds it all together? What keeps it from just flying apart into the void? That's the job of the supermassive black hole. Its immense gravity acts as a central hub, a cosmic anchor point, around which everything else orbits and coalesces. Early in the universe, these black holes likely acted as seeds. Their gravity pulled in gas and dust, triggering massive bursts of star formation and slowly building the magnificent spiral and elliptical structures we see today. Without Sagittarius A, at the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way might never have formed in the first place. The gas and dust that eventually became our sun, our planet, and even the atoms in your body might have just drifted aimlessly through space. These so-called monsters are a fundamental part of galactic evolution. They are the architects, not just the wrecking balls. So, in a very real sense, you are here watching this video because a 4 million solar mass black hole has been holding our galaxy together for billions of years. We are all, essentially, orbiting a giant infinite void. It's a thought that can bend your mind. We live our daily lives worrying about deadlines, traffic, and what to have for dinner, all while we are part of this grand cosmic structure, spinning around an invisible abyss. The scale of it all is almost incomprehensible. So I have a question for you. Does learning about the true scale of the universe make you feel small and insignificant? Or does it fill you with a sense of wonder and inspiration? Let us know what you think in the comments below. We love reading your perspectives on these cosmic questions. And if you enjoyed this journey to the heart of our galaxy, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for FactBite Daily. We have a universe of mind-blowing facts to share with you. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.